it good sear, then turn it over, cook on the other side. So that's about maybe a minute each on each side.
But I need to 1 teaspoon garlic then
Now I'm going to put about a tablespoon of sliced ginger and chopped garlic. So it works out to maybe 1 tablespoon each. Then you have 2 cups of sliced mushrooms. Put about 2 tablespoons of black bean sauce in there. Or you can use the fermented black beans, but black bean sauce is very convenient. Oil. Then you put half cup of sliced celery. Put half a teaspoon of salt. Then you put a tablespoon of oyster flavor sauce. Put a teaspoon of sesame oil. Now just give the pork belly and the mushrooms and all the other ingredients a quick stir fry. Put some red peppers in there, maybe half a cup, and half a cup of green pepper, and also a half cup of orange pepper. So these peppers don't have to be cooked too much, so you put that in at the end. So you add maybe half a cup of water just to steam the veggies. Then you mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in a cup of water. And put that in to thicken the sauce. There you have it, seared pork belly with mushrooms and veggies. Enjoy.
It's hot.
Oh, here's a nice piece that's really nicely seared. Oh. That's good. I always like my mom's cooking, so when she cooks it, it tastes even better. 係喎，係喎。
咁樣。